Hi y'all, welcome to Majestic Unicorn Dreams. Majestic Misty right here. We are here to open a box I got today, and we are back in our regularly scheduled location because I've actually cleaned it, organized it, and put a lot of stuff away. I have a bucket of brushes that I need to clean, but aside from that, it's pretty well organized. I've been on a cleaning spree. But today we are here to do Prepared, Pamper, Pretty, Period, which means this is a PMS box. And I know there's going to be food, and I'm so hungry. So I don't know if all I did was cut the tape because we know it's plastic. They have done away with this saying at the top that used to come up here, which I really like that saying, guys. That was a fun saying. Let's see what we got. We got Gary's Poppin' Light Popcorn, Simply Sea Salt. And you know what? We're going to eat this right now. I can't even open up a bag of popcorn without scissors. This one's 90 calories, where I think the other one was 100 calories. So let's check this out. A lot of times it's like crushed. This is good. Gary, you did a good job. Gary did a good job. Okay, now typically this box, as I always say, is for women of all ages. It very rarely has a lot of stuff to do with your actual period. It'll have one or two things to do with your period, and the rest is just fun stuff. So here we have Moody bars. Milk chocolate, dark chocolate, mint, almond, caramel, espresso, toffee crunch, strawberry, champagne. These are flippin' adorable. We have happy, grumpy, tired, blah, and flirty. And it says the yellow is milk chocolate. So if you're happy, you get milk chocolate. Dark chocolate is the orange, which is grumpy. The blue, which is tired, is espresso. The green is caramel, which is blah. So far I'm liking happy and blah. And the purpley, the pink color that's happy is strawberry champagne. So yum. So far we have chocolate and we have popcorn. Well, we have more premium cocoa. Supreme Cocoa Amore. Which is just going to be hot cocoa, I guess. Hot chocolate away. Now this, we'll save those till last. Because I said, there comes, this one has more period stuff in it than the normal. Okay, we have Marine Collagen Eye Serum by Cougar. Let's hope it zooms in. And let's see. So, okay, eye serum. You can never, in my opinion, go wrong with eye serum. It keeps those fine lines away, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, next we have something that looks like an ice cream cone. Oh, and it's a bath fizzy. Does it say what flavor? Nope. I can't even tell by the way it's by Opaline. Opaline did the last one. It was like a flowery one. But this one looks like either a pacifier or an ice cream. I'm going to say it's an ice cream. Then we have America's Top Model Lip Balm. Top Model 2003 Squad Strawberry Lip Balm. And now, as you can see at the top, it says Top Model. And then, I think I turned it right. Yep. Top Model Lip Balm. And then we have the Skin Spot Treatment. For what? Acne. Spot treatment for acne. So, the Skin Spot Treatment. And you had to read really little right here. It says acne. And we all get a little spots now and then. Okay, now here comes what makes this box a period box. But, for me, this can honestly be used anywhere on your body. So I'm not going to count this as a period thing. It's the Menstrual Heat non-medicated heat relief. Menstrual cramp relief, fast heating. You're supposed to put it like on your stomach or your like ovary, uterine area. But literally, if it heats up, you can kind of put this on your shoulder. If you need a little heat on your shoulder, which that's what I used the other one for, was my shoulder. And it just heated up my shoulder and gave me a little heat therapy on my shoulder. All right, we have regular 10-pack, always ultra thin, flexi wing pads for your light days, I'm assuming, because I don't know, size 1. Okay, see, here's where how do you know? Oh, okay, see, size 1. Now, have they put sizes on our vaginas now? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, size 1 is for extra small. And it's also light to moderate. Now, extra small panty size. Okay, so they're going by these sizes according to your panty size. Which, of course, is going by the size of your vagina then, because your panties, you know, I'm not an extra small. So, I would not be a size 1 because my panties are an extra small. So, I would, extra small or small is size 1. Medium to a large for your heavy days is a size 2. Extra large is for your light, moderate, or heavy days. And there's a size 4 that's extra small, small, and medium on moderate days. And extra small and small for heavy days. And then you have a size 5 for your large and extra large. So let's see, I really think this is, it says going by your panty size. But basically, what it's really doing is going by your vagina size. But here's the sizing. See, you can see the panties, and then it tells you the size. This is like buying pantyhose. I don't know if I like this sizing business. I mean, like, and to have to stand there and say, okay, now it used to be really easy, long, short, you know, whatever. I don't wear these to begin with. I'm a tampon girl, but, you know, a little TMI there, but don't care. But, you know, if I had to wear these, I would be so confused because I get confused buying pantyhose. People, now we're sizing my vagina? Maybe my sister has a size small vagina, or I don't know. I'll be like, psst, what's the size of your vagina? I got some pads if you need them. Come on. Okay, now the next thing that makes this a period, which will be used, not necessarily because they are super, but because they are plastic. I just threw away the ones from like last month that came cardboard from Tampax. Here we have Playtex Gentle Glide 360. I don't so much care about this part. I care, they're coming in 8-pack. I care about this part right there. Can we see it? Is my camera focusing? Plastic. A plastic applicator. No girl, woman, teenager, I don't care what you are, wants to use cardboard tampons. We don't. Nobody does. So, if you're going to send us these sort of things, always make it Tampax listen and follow Playtex's lead here and send plastic, because none of us are going to use it. So, to wrap up this box, we got size 1, always regular 8-hour protection 10 pads. Maybe I'll stick it on a panty and see the size of my, see where, I don't know. This vagina size really has me confused. Plastic applicator tampons. Like I said, I don't care so much if they're super or regular. That really doesn't matter, you know. What matters is that they're plastic. And then our menstrual cramp heating relief. Like I said, I didn't use this for that. I used it for my shoulder. and it worked perfectly to give me a little heat because I have a torn rotator cuff. So it gave me a little heat without that Tiger Balm icky smell, and without having to get out a heating pad. So I didn't use it for cramps. I repurposed it. So there are 3 things that are period related. And if you do order this box and you are past age of period, you might have a daughter, a granddaughter, a friend, you know, that could use those things. So we have Opaline Blue Ice Cream Cone or Shake Bath Bomb. We have Cougar Marine Collagen Eye Serum, which brightens and lightens. I'm trying to get you close because I didn't pull out my other camera. There we go. Brightens and lightens. And we can always use eye serum, ladies. If you are old enough to wear makeup, you are old enough for eye serum. We have Acne Spot Treatment by The Skin. I don't have any acne spots right now. I wonder if this sounds like it might be pepperminty. No, it's more medicine-y. But that's okay. You know, I'll get a zit eventually. Then we have Top Model Lip Balm in the flavor of strawberry. We got Hot Cocoa. And we got Happy, Grumpy, Tired, Blah, Flirty Chocolates. So, yay! I can't wait to eat these. And yeah, Gary gave us some Poppin' Light popcorn. Sea salt. And it's good. Just plain, nothing on it. Oops. Fell on the table, I eat it. So there's our PMS box for the month of January 2018. I would definitely suggest look at this box. It always comes with a bunch of fun things, and like I said, typically this is a lot of the period related stuff in here, but typically you don't end up with this much period related stuff. So I really always say this is a woman's box because, like I said, even if you get the period stuff and you pass period age, you might have a daughter, a granddaughter, a friend with a teenager, something like that. So I love this box. It makes me happy. So on that note, you know what to do. Those 3 little things. Thumbs up, comment, and, you know, Gary would subscribe. You know, so I think you should subscribe too. Just mash that subscribe button and become a unicorn family member with me. I love each and every one of you, and I will see you next time. I had it in my hand. I had to eat it. I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.